Hello everyone, and today we'll look at Google Data Studio and how to create a tabbed view in Google Data Studio. So just to demonstrate what I'm showing here is basically I've got here this tab at the top and I can switch between each of the different views by simply clicking on any of these buttons, and it switches between week, month and year. In this case, for this COVID-19 confirmed cases, I can easily see different date ranges by clicking on any of these buttons. So this is a very interesting and easy to use user experience, and I'll just show you how that's set up. So you'll see here on the left, for my report pages, I've actually got 3 different reports. One is for the year, which is only showing the year for that particular date range. This is for the month, and this is for the week. And as you can see, what I'm actually doing is switching between these 3 reports by using this top panel up here. And this top panel appears in each of my reports, but you'll see there's some slight difference between these. And the main difference is actually this image here, which it has a white button, which is all the way to the left for the year. For the month, it's in the middle, and for the week, it's all the way to the right. And so I'll show you what that looks like. When I insert an image, this is actually just an image I created in Inkscape. And you'll see here I've got a left, a middle, and a right button. So I'll just insert this left image and show you what it looks like. And that's it. It's just simply an image with 3 different panels, which has one colored white on the far left hand side. And I've done a little bit of rounding here to make it look a little bit cleaner and nicer when you've selected the button, but you can do whatever you like for these buttons. So once you've inserted that image into your report, all you have to do then is add some labels. So in this case, I've got here a text label for week, month, and year. And I've just laid those on top of that particular button. And then after that, you actually just have to create a link. And so all I've done is I've added in a text box. And in that text box, if you look at the insert link, I've added a display text. And for this display text, all I've done is actually created a whole bunch of zeros in Notepad, just copy and pasting them. Now I'm copying this now, and I'm just going to insert this in the display text over here. And then all I do is select the select the page which I want to go to. In this case, it's month. When I apply it, and I click off it, it actually disappears. Now that doesn't happen by default, that disappearing. You actually have to change a few settings on the right hand side here. So you'll see here I've got hidden for overflow settings. The opacity is set to 0%, and I've also set the padding here for the left to 0, the right to 0, and the top to be 0 as well. And so once you've done that, when you click off it, it actually just disappears completely. And so when I view it then, you'll see you can't see it, but when I click on it, it actually goes straight to the report that you've selected when you first set up that link. So what I did was I actually set it up for the 2 buttons here in this particular report. So this is for the month. I've created it for the year, and I've created it for the week. But you'll notice I haven't created for the month because obviously you're on the month page at the moment. And I did the same for the week, and nothing for this side. And I did the same for the year. Nothing on this side. And as you can see, once you've set that all up, it'll give you that effect of switching between different tabs when you select the different date ranges. Okay, I hope that helped you in creating a tab view, and I'll talk to you all later. Thanks.